Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing like a fall makeup look. I'm using the After Dark palette by Bad Habit. I'm going to start with this light orange and I'm going to put it on the outer eye, above my crease, and my inner eye. And I did not use the eye primer, which you should use. Your eyeshadow will stick a lot better if you use the eye primer, but I just didn't. And I'm just going to blend. And I'm going to do that to both eyes. And now I'm going in with a darker orange. It's more like a pinkish, reddish orange color. I'm going to put it in the same place that I put the first color. So in my outer corner, above my crease, and my inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with a cream color and put it on the center of my eyelid, right in that place color before. And you don't have to do this step. The only reason I'm doing it is because I'm using like a metallic shade after I'm going to put in the inner crease. So I just want to put on like a white base before I do that. So I'm just packing in that cream color. And now I'm using the Metallics palette by Profusion. This is not the best color, best palette, but I'm taking this like deep pink color and a burgundy color that's next to it. I'm gonna put that on the center of my lid. Like I said, this is not the best palette. I don't recommend it. Some of the colors are good, but it's really not that pigmented. So I'm just using my finger instead of using a brush to apply the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take a brush and use the same metallic burgundy color and put it on my lower lash line, just the inner corner. And I'm just blending the top eyeshadow a little bit better with the brush. And I'm using that same orange color I used before. I'm putting it more onto my eyelid. Now I'm taking those first orange colors I used the first time and putting them on my lower lash line to make the makeup look a lot more coherent. Just put a little bit more at the top. Again, guys, use eye primer. Your eye looks will turn out a lot better. And now I'm putting on some Great Lash by Maybelline. And right now I'm just putting on my upper lash. I should have waited to do this, but I don't know why I decided to do it right now. Because I'm going to be adding glitter. And now I'm taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. And I'm just use that to clean up the eyeshadow look. So I'm putting it under my eyes. And I'm going to use like a flat brush to just clean up the look. I'm being careful not to get the concealer on my bottom lash line since I did put eyeshadow down there already. I don't want to mess it up. I'm just making the eyeshadow as sharp as I need it. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation brush just to blend it easier and faster. And now I'm going to be using this glitter called Miss Metals. You could Google it because I don't know what brand to use it, but I'm just putting a little bit, tapping it on my top lid, and then I'm going to just tap it in. I love these glitters, it makes it look so pretty. And then of course do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm also gonna apply it on my lower lash line. You have to be careful with these because I think they are submerged in alcohol, so when you put it on, it can burn your eyes if you get too close to your eyes. But when you do your bottom lashes, so just be very careful. But I like these because like it dries like immediately and it's stuck there, like it's there. So I'm just tapping it very little bit and then just tapping it in. I decided to go with I think I used a champagne color for this look. Or pink look, I'm not sure. So that's how it looks. So far I'm just putting a little bit more. And gently tapping it in. Because they do dry like really fast. Okay, I'm gonna go and do my foundation and I'll be right back. Okay, so foundation is done. Now I'm taking these two liquid lipsticks. I forgot what brand makes it, but I'm going in with Red Moon and Ursula. Because I want like a brown lip color, but I don't have a brown liquid lipstick. I'm pretty sure I do somewhere, but I don't know where it is. So first I'm going in with Red Moon, which is the red. I'm just putting thin layers, very thin layers. And I love these liquid lipsticks because they stay on all day. Like, they are budge, smudge proof, like, seriously. And then I'm going in with Ursula, which is like a deep purple color. So when I mix in the Ursula with the Red Moon, it makes like a brown color. Really pretty. Like a red brown. Which is exactly what I need. And now I'm going to go with that mascara again and put on my lower lashes. I do mess up and actually get it on like my bottom lash line and like the top of my lid, but that's okay, just clean it up if you do that. But I like to apply on a lot of mascara since I don't wear falsies. And this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. Smash that like button. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.